Cooking with Kelsey. Let's cook.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Let's Cook. With 4th of July here, there's only one thing on my mind, and it's gonna light up your world. Firecracker pasta salad. We're gonna wanna get a pot of boiling water on and salt it as salty as the sea. I like my pasta al dente, which means just slightly undercooked. Once your pasta's cooked, you're gonna strain it, add it to a sheet tray, and drizzle it with a little olive oil so it doesn't stick in the fridge. What's up? Now for the first level of spice in this recipe, we're gonna make the Cajun seasoning for our chicken. These cups were a little sticky, very humid that day. Once you get all those spices mixed, it's important to get an even coating on all of that chicken. Now grab that chicken because we're going outside. You can always cook your chicken and your corn inside, but I think the char from the grill really adds a great flavor. And it's summer! You should be outside. Once you get a nice char on the chicken and the corn, high five your friends and let's head back inside. I'm gonna chop up some veggies here for color, flavor, and a little spice. Take a look at the difference between these jalapenos. Some actually say that the lines add more spice. Definitely wash your hands after touching those jalapenos because you're going to burn something you do not want to. To assemble the dressing, we're going to dice shallots and grate garlic in a bowl. The base for this pasta salad is a sriracha vinaigrette. What that actually means is to emulsify the oil into the vinegar. To do that, you're going to slowly drizzle the oil into the vinegar. As always, make sure you season with salt. All right, let's grab the biggest bowl you can find and dump that pasta in. Someone call the fire department because it's about to get hot up in here. We're gonna toss the pasta in the vinaigrette and then add the chopped ingredients. You'll see I'm adding some bacon here, which I pre-cooked and chopped ahead of time. Now it's time to get down and dirty. We're gonna toss this pasta and add our final ingredient, COTIJA cheese. All right, let's taste this bad mamma jamma. Okay. Uh-oh. Ooh, baby! Now that's the way to light up your world. This recipe works best with a couple hot dogs and a cold beer. Thank you for tuning in to the 5th episode of Let's Cook. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share. The recipe is linked below, so if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. It's a great recipe, and it's great to share with your friends. It's super delicious, and happy 4th of July!